Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode for Google Maps. So basically what you have to do is go to the top right button where it's got my profile picture for my YouTube account. For yours I'll just maybe have your profile picture, go up there, and then from there press the settings, the gear icon settings function down near the bottom. That's going to give you a list of different settings that you can edit, and then from there scroll all the way down until you find using maps, and then there's dark mode, and you can press into dark mode. And currently it's obviously off, as you can see on my screen. It is very bright, so if you're traveling at night and you want to actually make sure that dark mode is turned on, you can come in here and it won't light up your entire car and distract you and things like that. So you can press on from there, and then that turns the iPhone dark on when you're using Google Maps. So anyway guys, if this video has been helpful, please like and subscribe to the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. And if you do have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Thanks.